NaClO3 को जब हीट करेंगे तो बनेगा NaCl प्लस ऑक्सीजन। अब बैलेंस कर लेंगे इस रिएक्शन को, तो यह 3/2 O2 कर देंगे, तो ये हो गया बैलेंस्ड इक्वेशन। अब ये जो NaCl का रेसिड्यू बना, इसको वाटर में डिसॉल्व करेंगे एंड treating it with some silver salt, we get a precipitate of, this is residue, and treating it with some silver salt, we get a precipitate of AgCl. Now we want 0.16 gram of oxygen by heating NaClO3. So moles of oxygen will be equal to 0.16 divided by molecular weight of oxygen, that is 32, and this is equal to 0.005 moles. Now when NaCl forms AgCl, then equivalents of NaCl is equal to equivalents of AgCl. Now equivalent weight of NaCl is same as its molecular weight. Equivalent weight of AgCl is same as its molecular weight. तो हम यहाँ पे ये भी लिख सकते हैं कि moles of NaCl is equal to moles of AgCl. Now we need 0.005 moles of oxygen from this reaction. Now 3/2 moles of oxygen is produced by decomposition of 1 mole of NaClO3. And when 3/2 moles of oxygen is produced, the moles of NaCl produced is 1 mole. So when 0.005 moles of oxygen is produced, the moles of NaCl produced will be equal to 2/3 into 0.005 moles of NaCl. Now they have asked in the question that when 0.16 gram of oxygen is produced, then what is the mass of AgCl which is obtained as precipitate? Now mass of AgCl obtained as precipitate depends upon the moles of NaCl formed during this reaction, because the moles of AgCl precipitated is same as the moles of NaCl formed in this reaction. So 2/3 into 0.005 moles of NaCl is formed. So moles of NaCl is 2/3 into 0.005. Therefore moles of AgCl will also be 2/3 into 0.005 moles. अब ये तो हो गया moles of AgCl. अब moles of AgCl को weight of AgCl में convert करेंगे, तो weight of AgCl हो जाएगा moles of AgCl, that is 2/3 into 0.005 into molecular weight of AgCl, that is 143.5 gram per mole. Solving, the answer is 0.48 grams. So correct option is option 4.